Hey guys, Mr. Burns here. So we're working on page 259 and we just completed problem 51. So the given information that we were given for the problem is that we had c of x, which was equal to x cubed minus 2x, and then we were given d of x, which is equal to 4x squared minus 6x plus 8. And we were asked to find 3c of a minus 4 plus 3d of a plus 5. And this is going to break itself down into three different steps. First, we're going to take care of our function notation. Second, we're going to distribute. And then third, we're going to take care of the final adding. So with the function notation, what that means is that we have the equation c and d with a minus 4 for the input in c and a plus 5 as the input for d. So first thing we got to do is we have to plug in a minus 4 for every x that we see in c. So c of a minus 4 is equal to a minus 4 cubed minus 2 times a minus 4. Okay, then we would use order of operations. So the first thing we have to take care of is our exponent. So we're going to FOIL a minus 4 3 times. So we have a minus 4 times a minus 4, which yields us a squared minus 8a plus 16. And then we have to run a minus 4 through one more time to get a final answer of a cubed minus 12a squared plus 48a minus 64. And that is all the result. This is all the result of a minus 4 cubed. This negative 2a plus 8 comes from me distributing negative 2 times a to get a negative 2a, negative 2 times a negative 4 to get a positive 8. And then once I combine like terms, I'm down to a cubed minus 12a squared plus 46a minus 56. And then that is taking care of the function notation. So that is the answer for c of a minus 4. Okay, on this side, once again, for wherever we see an x and d, we have to plug in a plus 5. So we have 4 times a plus 5 squared minus 6 times negative 6 times a plus 5 plus 8. Once again, we got to FOIL these, a plus 5 times a plus 5 to take care of our exponent. And once we do that, we're left with a squared plus 10a plus 25. Now we can go ahead and distribute our negative 6 times a to get negative 6a, negative 6 times a positive 5 to get negative 30, then plus 8. Okay, and just bring those down. Now we have to distribute the 4 that was associated with x squared. So 4 times a squared is 4a squared, 4 times 10a is 40a, 4 times 25 is 100. And then this is me just rewriting negative 6a, negative 30 plus 8. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. And once I combine my like terms, I'm down to 4a squared plus 34a plus 78. Okay, at this point, it is time to distribute our 3n for d. So we're going to have 3 times 4a squared to get 12a squared. 3 times 34a to get 102a, 3 times 78 to get 234. Okay, and that is the answer of 3d of a plus 5, 12a squared plus 102a plus 234. With our c side, after we combined like terms, we were left with a cubed minus 12a squared plus 46a minus 56. When we distribute a 3n, we are left with 3a cubed minus 36a squared plus 138a minus 168. Okay, so now that we have the answers of 3c of a minus 4 and 3d of a plus 5, now we can take care of our final step and do the addition, where we're going to just be combining like now. It's time to take care of our addition. So we have 3a cubed, which there's no other term a cubed in our second equation, so that is going to be left. Negative 36a squared is going to get combined with 12a squared, plus 138a gets combined with plus 102a to make 240a, and then a minus 168 plus 234 gives us a positive 66. So once we're all said and done, and our final answer after taking care of all three of our steps, we are left with 3a cubed minus 24a squared plus 240a plus 66.